In this video, you will learn how to create new objects in A-Do-IT. Click on plus New to create a new object. Choose a suitable object type. Find the most popular artifacts in recommendations. First, give your object a name. Now, add a description. This is a mandatory field, so it is highly recommended that you fill it out. Switch to the organization chapter. Mandatory fields are marked with a star. Make sure not to leave them empty. Add a business actor by clicking on plus. Use the filter for a quick search. You can either add an existing business actor or create a new one. Let's create a new one. Enter a name for the new business actor and choose a folder to save it to. Click here to save your object. Choose where you want to save it. You can also create objects directly in the Explorer. Click on Find. Choose a folder. Right-click on the folder and select Create Object. Now, simply repeat the steps shown in the previous method. Now, when you click on Save, it will automatically be saved in the folder you have previously chosen. Have a look at the A-Do-IT online help for more information.